Now, in Hennepin County and in Minneapolis, that was a horrible, horrible situation. And, we've seen the one police officer, wrong or right. I mean, he did have to fight a large man to the ground. They tried to subdue him, and the other two officers were only out in the street for 4 days, and they were listening to the officer that was on the job for 19 years, and they're being charged with second-degree murder in addition to the first officer. Now, again, going back, I feel that the charges are way out of line. You, as an attorney, how would you feel?
Well, you and I might disagree a little bit here. Officer Chauvin, I think he was wrong. Do I think he woke up that morning and said, "I'm going to murder someone today"? Absolutely not. I think what he's guilty of is certainly some cruelty, not maybe following the standard of care, and I think he should be charged. But that's Officer Chauvin. Now let's put ourselves in the place of the three rookies that were under his arm. 4 days out of the academy, and one of them, my understanding, and again, I don't have all the facts, I'm learning about it. My understanding is one of them actually, while it was happening, said to Chauvin, "Shouldn't we turn him aside? Shouldn't we do something?" He clearly was disturbed by it, but he's facing a 19-year veteran who is his boss, his supervisor, his tutor at that time, and he's afraid to act. Who wouldn't be? I think that charging those three rookies with murder is outright ridiculous. They just fired them. There's now, I think they're all but one are held without bail. I think one's out, and I'm troubled by that. I saw the entire world, or at least everyone on my Facebook feeds and everywhere, in agreement that what the Chauvin did was wrong. Right? It was just too much. He needed to stop. I know you came out and you said the same thing. I know a lot of other people did too. Even though we all agree, he still needs a fair trial, and he'll get one, or at least I hope he'll get one, and I suspect he'll be convicted. But these three rookies, that's outrageous. If anyone's guilty of it, it's the police chief and the mayor and everyone who in the police academy. If they didn't train them well enough, it's their fault, not a 4-day rookie's fault.